Most drivers think a dash cam is just a nice-to-have accessory, but imagine being in a collision and having no clear footage to prove what really happened. Every second counts. Today, we're breaking down the Vantrue E2 dash cam, a dual STARVIS setup promising 2.7K resolution, front and rear recording, voice control, Wi-Fi, GPS, and 24-hour parking protection. Welcome to Autovated, where we dig into the specs, real-world performance, and user feedback so you can make a smarter choice for your car. The Vantrue E2 is a dual-channel dashcam system designed to capture both front and rear views at 2.7K resolution. With 160 degrees wide-angle lenses on both cameras, it covers up to 4 lanes of traffic, minimizing blind spots. STARVIS sensors are used for low-light clarity, while the upgraded chip allows simultaneous high-resolution recording. Other features include voice control in multiple languages, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster transfers, GPS logging of speed and location, G-sensor triggered event recording, and 24-hour parking mode. The dashcam also supports up to 512GB micro SD cards, giving ample storage for long drives or extended parking monitoring. I've reviewed expert tests, verified buyer experiences, and compared it to similar models to break down what actually works and what falls short. Key features really stand out for practical reasons. First, the dual 2.7K STARVIS cameras deliver detailed, high-quality footage day and night, helping capture license plates and critical details in collisions. Second, voice control reduces distraction by letting you operate the camera hands-free, from taking photos to locking important footage. Third, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi plus built-in GPS makes downloading, sharing, and tracking footage seamless. Lastly, the 24-hour parking mode with buffered motion detection protects your car even when you're not around, automatically saving pre- and post-event clips. Pros: the E2 offers crystal-clear 2.7K footage, front and rear, which is notably sharper than most 1080p rear cams. Installation is relatively straightforward, and the voice commands genuinely add convenience and safety. GPS integration and fast Wi-Fi simplify reviewing and sharing footage, and the camera's low-light STARVIS sensors perform well at night. Cons: some users report the rear cable length can be restrictive without an extension, and the dashcam isn't compatible with PD fast charging, requiring use of the included charger. Additionally, while 2.7K resolution is excellent, larger screens may require downscaling in the Vantrue app for smooth playback. Value-wise, considering dual-channel 2.7K, voice control, and 24/7 parking, it's a competitive option in its price range. Compared to competitors like the Vantrue N4 or ThinkWare F200 Pro, the E2 excels in rear camera resolution, 2.7K versus the more typical 1080p, and dual STARVIS sensors give it an edge in low-light scenarios. Installation is slightly more involved than single-channel dashcams, but the additional coverage and safety benefits justify the extra effort. While some higher-end models offer cloud connectivity or radar detection, the E2 focuses on delivering reliable, high-quality footage at a reasonable price point. Build quality feels solid, with a durable mount and well-constructed camera housings. STARVIS sensors and reinforced cables suggest good long-term performance, and Vantrue's reputation plus lifetime customer care adds extra confidence. While we don't yet have decade-long usage data, industry trends suggest dual-channel STARVIS setups maintain clarity and reliability over years of daily use. Customer support is responsive, particularly for replacement cables or warranty inquiries, which is reassuring. This dashcam is best suited for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone wanting comprehensive front and rear coverage with reliable night vision. It's less ideal if you need cloud storage or ultra-compact single-camera setups. If this breakdown is giving you a clear view and helping you avoid blind spots in your purchasing decisions, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a high-resolution deep dive on automotive gear. Verdict: strong option. For drivers who value crystal-clear footage and full front and rear protection, the Vantrue E2 is one of the stronger choices in its class. For those on a tighter budget, the standard 1080p rear cams, like the Vantrue N4, may suffice, but you'll trade off resolution and low-light performance. Thanks for watching. The link to grab the Vantrue E2 can be found in the comments and description. If you already own one or have questions, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay sharp and stay automated.